Hey kids, are you ready to test how much you know about the USA? Let's jump into the Ultimate American Quiz, play along and see how many questions you can get right. Let's go! First question, which American holiday is all about turkey, family, and thankfulness? A. Halloween. B. Thanksgiving. C. Independence Day. D. Christmas. The correct answer is B. Thanksgiving. Did you get it right? Next up, what's the name of the mountain where the faces of 4 U.S. presidents are carved? A. Mount Everest. B. Mount Rushmore. C. Mount Washington. D. Mount McKinley. And the answer is B. Mount Rushmore. Pretty cool, huh? Here's a tricky one. What is the name of the U.S. national anthem? Is it A. God Bless America, B. America the Beautiful, C. The Star-Spangled Banner, or D. Born in the USA? The correct answer is C. The Star-Spangled Banner. Sing along next time you hear it. What's the most popular sport in America? Is it A. Basketball, B. Soccer, C. Football, or D. Baseball? And the answer is C. Football. Touchdown. Final question, which U.S. city is nicknamed the Big Apple? Is it A. Los Angeles, B. New York City, C. Chicago, or D. Miami? The answer is B. New York City. Did you guess it? How did you do? Let us know in the comments how many questions you got right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this quiz with your friends. See you next time.